Today I have a SPLZ Pro M102W printer, and this is the Wi-Fi printer. And this printer problem is both the LED is blinking, here is blinking, and an error is here. Okay, today I'll fix this problem. Let's fix it. This is the cartridge, and here is a two type of cartridge, and here is another one, and this is the drum side. Okay, and you can see that is okay, and this is the inside. This is the magnet roller. Here the ink is very low. I hope here should be more ink, and here is some dust. Okay, you can see this area. Let's open it. It's taking some time to run. After opening this one is hold it. This is not perfectly working. When I press this, and it's attaching here. This one is, and after clean, this one also clean. Okay, I will use this paper pieces on this area. I am using instant glue. This is perfectly attached. Okay, and this is perfectly working. Okay. After that, here is some dust. I need to clean. Let's clean. And this pickup pillar also broken from this here. Okay, I just clean this. Now this is here. Now set up this cartridge. This is the drum part. The power cable. Let's check it. And you can see still here is the error message, and that means that problem is not solved, and that problem was the both double page paper pulling. Okay, let's change the cartridge, and you can see here is the ink quality is not good enough, and I am installing a new cartridge. What happened? Both LED is blinking. and you can see here is a green light is glowing. Okay, that means problem solved. This cartridge was problem, and that's why here is a showing the error message, and right now this is okay. Let's give the test page. What happened? It's taking. And configuration report, and it's printing perfect. Network summary. Okay guys, thanks for watching.